let me show you how we can remove objects from photos on OnePlus 15. So in order to do that, we can actually use two apps. We have two options. We have this Photos app made by OnePlus and also this Photos app made by Google. Both of them actually provide the magic eraser tool that we can use in order to erase things from photos. We're going to start with this one. In this case, if you want to remove something, let's say I'm going to open this photo over here. We're going to tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen in order to start editing, and we need to go to AI editor, and then we have the AI eraser. First, we need to actually get the plugin, I believe. Oh, it's actually working immediately. Okay, so never mind. And we have three options like Smart Lasso, Paint Over, and Remove People. I'm just going to use Smart Lasso. In this case, we can select the area that we want to get rid of. There we go. It smartly recognizes that I have this car toy over here, and as you can see now, it is gone. And you may notice sometimes that there are some leftovers after removing the object. So if you want to, you can still select the area. This time I'm just gonna draw over it like this, and hopefully it will be selected and then removed. And you know, results are better and worse. Sometimes these results are better, sometimes they are not so great, so you need to keep going until you are actually satisfied with your results. But let's say that I'm happy with this, so I can just tap on and done in the bottom right corner. And then once again, in order to then save the photo. And like I mentioned, we can also use the other Photos app, this one. And in this case, if you want to remove something, let me actually try to find a photo to remove. Let's say I'm gonna use this one over here. Once again, we're gonna tap on edit at the bottom of the screen. Let's skip through that. And once everything is done loading in here, we should be able to, for example, select the area again pretty much immediately. You don't have to go through any of these options. Our selected object should be highlighted, and then we have the erase option, so we can select it and then just wait for the magic eraser to do its job. And once again, of course, there might be some leftovers, but actually no, this app actually works much better compared to the previous one. So you might be more happier to use this app instead. And of course, in the upper right corner, we can save the photo as a copy. And there we go. So we have two choices, two apps. Both of them have the magic eraser. One is probably better than the other, as you saw the results. But you can try both of them, of course. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.